Okay, now we're going to spatchcock the chicken. Okay, now to do that, we're going to start with the back. Now this is the breast side. You can see the breasts of the chicken. We're going to flip it over onto with the back side up, and then we're just going to cut along the edge of the back to cut the back out. I'm using poultry shears because they're designed to be able to cut through the bones, okay? And we're going to just cut along both sides, cut out the back. Okay, there we go. The back has been cut out, and I'm going to keep this to make chicken stock later, all right? Then what we want to do is flip it over, okay, and spread it out, and then press down on it and press down like this to flatten it. And what that'll do is it'll crack the breastbone so that the chicken will lay flat, okay? See, it's nice and flat. So you can either put it on your grill flat like this so that the heat will cook it more evenly, or you can put it in the oven this way. I'm going to be putting it into the smoker. But that's how to spatchcock a chicken. Pretty simple procedure, pretty quick.